What's up, guys? Today we're here at the local John Deere house with the all-new Baseline HEQ equipment trailer. We're going to load up a skid steer, go to a job site, and show you just how the all-new Baseline puts in work. So we made it to the job site where you can see that there's gonna need to be a little bit of skid steer work done around this new building. But before we get to that, we wanna go over the HEQ 207, look at the features, the standard features of this trailer, and what makes it a really solid equipment trailer choice. So the main frame, the frame and tongue, is all 8 by 10 pound I-beam. That's 8 inches tall, it's structural beam, all the way from the coupler to the back of the trailer. Makes for a really solid platform. In the tongue, we have standard a chain tray, whereas you saw in the video when we were loading the skid steer, we had the chains and binders in there. We will also have a tongue box option, so if you want to be able to close the lid, block those out of the way. The spare mount is up in the center on the front, convenient, it's out of the way, it's not blocking your side access here of the deck. When you need it, it's right there. Moving back, we're running rub rail and stake pocket standard. So you've got the nice oversized stake pockets with a 2 by 3/8 rub rail, nice and sturdy for being able to chain down equipment, as you see here. Moving on back, we run the Lippert 7K axles. On this one, they are straight axles, 6-leaf slipper spring suspension, tried and true. A good 10-ply tire. Then all the way to the back of the trailer, we're running a 2-foot diamond plate dove with a 60-inch tall, 3-inch I-beam, which is a really unique feature. It's an I-beam ramp. It's got your knee to take that load off of the back of the trailer and support it to where it doesn't pick up the back of the truck whenever you're loading your equipment. It's a knee ramp, really tried and true setup, nice approach angle. You saw that in the loading of the skid steer, really nice from the ground up to the deck. The other things that you want to know about this trailer, when we designed the Baseline, we wanted to make sure that the core function, like the core backbone of the trailer, was really solid. And so it has the same DM coating system that the Diamond C line offers. It's that heavy duty rugged finish that no matter where you're at in the country, it's gonna last and look great for a long time. The other thing is the wiring harness. We can't really, it's not easy to see here, but the difference is in the details. That wiring harness is the same automotive grade harness that's on the Diamond C product. So it's nice and sealed, no butt connectors, no hardwired connections anywhere throughout the trailer. Unlike other trailers in this class, it is a world-class wiring harness. The HEQ is offered in a 20 or 22 foot version, which is from the front of the bulkhead to the rear of the trailer. It also is available in a 16,000 pound GVWR, whereas this one is 14,000. And on the 14, just for reference, this is a 9,500 pound skid steer, which fits really nice on this trailer. You have a lot of skid steers that are up in that 10 and 11,000 pound range, which would then constitute needing that 16,000 pound GVWR. Look out for more videos on the HEQ as well as the tilt version of on the Baseline, and then that dump that is also available in 14 and 16K rating. Look out for more videos to come on the Baseline product.